Hello, this is a quick video on how the general workings of a LPG regulator governs the pressure from which is the inlet on this side to the outlet on this side. So the main points of information here are displayed on the data plate, such as it is spec'd for propane of the LPG family, and then your P is your inlet pressure, which is this one here, and then your PD is your outlet pressure, and then also your mass flow rate is on this one. So in short, this would be the connection into the LPG cylinder. It comes through the pipe into what's typically known as a butane nut on this side, and then goes through the regulator. This is called a single regulator, and then it comes to the outlet, which is here. And this is on this particular one, it is a 3/8 BSP female connection here, so you have to connect up on this side. Now the P, in relation to the P, the inlet, it is spec'd for between 1 and 16 bar inlet pressure. This wouldn't be exactly the maximum working pressure, or I should say this is the ideal inlet pressure. Anything over that will have a negative effect on the regulator and likely damage it. Something like 20 bar would probably be the max pressure it can take. So inlet pressure is between 1 and 16 bar. The outlet pressure, which is PD, is 37 millibar. 37 millibar is quite low, but it is ideal for something like a domestic cooker. Over here you have the mass flow rate. In this case it is 4 kilograms per hour, which is in relation to your outlet pressure. So your outlet pressure and mass flow rate are typically related, them two. And in short, what it does is it regulates high pressure from your cylinder, goes through the regulator, and gives you consistent outlet pressure and flow rate. You have a wee little vent here on the side. In the vent you have a high pressure over spec. It will bleed off to the atmosphere, and it'll close this valve again. This valve remains closed during normal pressure, but it is important not to let water and dirt in there, because it could foul that valve. And on that note, you don't want ice or anything forming in there, so it should typically be in a sheltered area. And even if you can't get a sheltered area, at least have it downward facing so water cannot lodge in there. And this would be spec'd for outdoor use, as most of these are, so outdoor use only. I hope this was helpful, and take care.